met you in the summer when you left it was cold.
Hey guys, welcome back to Terry Berry. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I silk press my sister's 4C natural hair to take it from super kinky to silky straight.
I met you in my
If this is something you're interested in, then keep on watching.
Is as normal, missing someone, and missing someone.
Thank you so much for coming back to my channel, and if you're new, I highly recommend that you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you never miss an upload from me. I have a new video up every single week, so yeah. So we're just going to start off with the blowout. Using a hot comb is so much more forgiving on the head, especially if you're tender-headed like her. I'm just going to comb through her entire head of hair to get out all the knots and kinks to give it that blown out look. The temperature on this hot comb can be regulated, so to shorten everything, I have a detailed blog post on my blog, and I'm going to leave a direct link in my description box, so do check it out if you have any questions about this hot comb. But it's really inexpensive and it does get the job done. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this video so far, please don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps my channel. Also, if you have any comments, questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section down below. once I'm done combing through her hair, aka blowouts, I'm going to part her hair into 4 sections, and then the next step is to flat iron her hair. Remember to take small sections and then mostly concentrate the heat from the roots of the hair down to the tip, because the roots are stronger. I think I did a minimum of 2 to 3 passes on each section of the hair before moving on to the next section. Then I just repeat the entire process all over her head until I'm done with her entire head of hair. Please don't mind the steam or smoke that is coming out. It's not a problem. Her hair is fine. It's just as a result of the oils that have been applied. So it's just heat and oils reacting together. Her hair is not burning or anything. I promise. I'll be applying this hair serum from Mizani onto her hair to give her hair to make her hair look more silky and shiny after the silk press process is done. After flat ironing, I got the chance to trim her split ends a little when she wasn't looking. Here's the final results, guys. Her hair looks so pretty, just like a fresh perm. She's been bugging me for the longest time to get a silk press done, so she was really happy with her final results. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think, and yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I can't wait to see you in my next one next week. Love you guys. Bye.